Hello mamas! Sharing my updated tips kung paano maparami yung breast milk supply mo based on my experience. Number 1 is dapat busog. Nakita ko talagang kumonti yung supply ko nung nag-umpisa na akong mag-diet. Number 2, direct latch pero dadagdagan ko ng parallel pumping. Babies are best when stimulating your milk. Pag dinagdagan mo ng parallel pumping, parang sinasabi mo sa katawan mo na you're feeding two babies. Number 3 is stay hydrated, lots of fluids, and soup with malunggay. No under supplier pa lang ako, talagang lagi ganun yung ulam ko, sabaw na may malunggay. Tapos nakakapara more than 2 liters ako na water per day. Number 4, nilagay ko na dito yung manage your stress. As an under supplier, talagang mahirap gawin to kasi kapag nag-pump ka tas ang konti nung nakukuha mo, sobrang nakakalungkot talaga. Pero always remember, stress can affect our supply. Napansin ko rin mga mamas na kapag puyat ako, mas konti din yung napoproduce kong milk. Number 5 is choose your pump. Ito, importante talaga to. Nakita ko yung improvement ng supply ko nung nagpalit ako ng breast pump. Yung previous ko kasi masakit and nagkakasugat-sugat ako kaya wala akong ganang mag-pump. Pump recommendations. Para sa akin, Horigen talaga yung pinaka-the best kasi affordable na sila and hospital grade pa. And kung baguhan ka sa pagpapump, I strongly suggest na kunin mo is yung wired pump like yung Little Telly para magawa mo yung number 6 which is breast massage while pumping. Nag-hot compress ako sa breast before pumping session and nakatulong naman talaga yun. Pero mas malaki talaga yung naging improvement nung in-start ko na siyang i-massage while pumping. And nakita ko lang to sa YouTube. Number 7 is increase your pumping sessions. Yung common recommendation dito is do magic 8. So, bali 8 times kang magpa-pump within the day. Nung ako, hindi ko ginagawang 8. Parang nasa 4 to 5 session lang ako per day. Kasi yung gabi, sobrang hirap akong mag-pump. And pinipili ko na lang talaga matulog kesa mag-pump. Number 8 is eat milk booster food. Marami na ako na-try pero ito yung pinaka-effective for me. Number 1 is tubig. Number 2 is M2 with Milo. Number 3, coconut juice. Number 4, pistachios. Number 5, yung lactation spread by Ava. Nakapag-try na rin ako ng mga lactation treats and for me, tricky siya kasi minsan effective, minsan hindi. And na-realize ko, effective siya as long as I'm well hydrated and naka-good sleep ako. And yun na lahat yun. I hope makatulong to sa inyo. Happy pumping!